welcome back. So today, being the last day of the 12 days of Christmas, I've decided to do this mould. Now it's a star with these little attachments to go with it. So, excuse me, I'm sorry guys, I've got a bit of allergies going on. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pour EcoPour into this and resin into here, and the reason why I'm doing that is because this is a little candle holder, so if I wanted to put a proper candle in there once I've sealed it and everything, I can without it causing any problems. So the only thing I'm worried about is that might be a problem actually. Resin can be flammable, so if I'm doing these in resin I won't be able to use a candle in here. But on saying that, sorry, this is me procrastinating right now. Is that the right word? I don't know, but we're going to go with it. You know what? If I've got enough EcoPour, I might just do it all in EcoPour, or I might just make sure that the candle's fake anyway, because I'm thinking about giving this to my boys. So I give a lot of things to them because they love my makes. So yeah, let me think about it, and yeah, I'm sure you'll see on the video later what I decide to do. I'm really sorry for my allergies, honestly. Go away. Right, so that's what we're going to do today. I've got some new colours for the EcoPour through from Temu, and I want to test one of them out. So I might do this in like a yellow colour, because it's a star, obviously. And what I might do as well, I don't know if this is going to work, but I might put a hint of gold glitter in there as well, just to see what happens, because I don't think I've used glitter on EcoPour before, and I want to try it out. I'm sure other people have done it along the line, but I've never actually done it. So let me get my EcoPour set up. I'm going to do EcoPour first, and then if I do decide to do resin on this, I'll get my resin done afterwards. But yeah, we'll get this done first. I'll go and get some glitter, go and get my pigment, and yeah, I'll bring you back for the pour. So I'll be right back.
Snow is falling softly on the window pane, candles glowing warm against the winter rain. Laughter in the kitchen, stories being told. This time of year never gets old. And every little moment feels like magic in the air, 'cause Christmas means the most when all the ones we love are there. So gather round the tree tonight, hearts shining like the Christmas lights, holding on to memories, the kind that set our spirits free. With every hug, with every smile, we make it Christmas time worthwhile. Oh, nothing feels as sweet or fine as family at Christmas time. Cookies on the table, stockings hung in place, little feet are racing in a happy holiday chase, wrapping up the presents, hiding them away, saving all our secrets for Christmas Day. And even if the world outside is cold and snowy white, our home is full of warmth that makes the season feel just right. So gather round the tree tonight, hearts shining like the Christmas lights, holding on to memories, the kind that set our spirits free. With every hug, with every smile, we make it Christmas time worthwhile. Oh, nothing feels as sweet or fine as family at Christmas time. Years go by and seasons change, but our love will stay the same. No matter where life leads us to, Christmas brings me home to you. So gather round the tree tonight, let love be our guiding light. Here together, hand in hand, the greatest gift in all the land. Through every laugh and every tear, I'm grateful for this time of year, 'cause nothing shines as pure, divine as family at Christmas time.
And we are getting close to the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot to me. Subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. That means a lot to me as well. And if you don't mind, if you are watching, give me a little like and comment down below, because that does get my video out to other people as well, and they can see my videos as well. So that would mean a lot to me as well if you could do that. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider doing so. It is only a click away and it doesn't cost you a thing. With this make, it was challenging for me. I was using colours that I've never used before, and it was out of my comfort zone a little bit, but all in all, it didn't turn out bad. I wish I didn't use all glitters on the reindeer, the trees and the Xmas sign. I would have probably used mica powder and a few other things on it, just so the reindeer didn't disappear into the background. But other than that, I love this make. So I will see you tomorrow for my normal video, guys. Bye now.